Erosion happens when rocks and sediments are picked up and moved to another place by ice, water, wind, or gravity. Mechanical weathering physically breaks up rocks. One example is called frost action, or frost shattering. Water gets into the cracks and joints in bedrock. When the water freezes, it expands, and the cracks are opened a little wider. Over time, pieces of rocks can split off a rock face, and big boulders are broken into smaller rocks and gravel. Mechanical and physical weathering. Physical weathering is physical disintegration of a rock into smaller fragments, each with the same property as the original. Occurs mainly by temperature and pressure changes. Chemical weathering. Process by which internal structure of a mineral is altered by addition or removal of elements.
Signs of chemical weathering. Here we go. Here we are looking at a metal drum. The metal is iron or steel, which contains iron, and you can clearly see oxidation occurring. Iron oxide is forming in the presence of water, which is oxidizing this metal. Over here, we can see moss growing on the rock, and as I peel this moss up, you can see what the acids have done to this rock, this concrete. As you see, it's peeling away, peeling the moss. You can see that this is just breaking apart, and it is slowly breaking down and digesting that rock.
Which of the following is the correct definition of weathering? The breakdown of rocks, the removal of rocks, neither. Which of the following is the definition of erosion? The process of disintegration of rock and soil. The process is that involves the movement of soil and rock, both, neither. Which types of changes are included in the process of weathering? Check all that apply. Chemical changes, physical changes, both. Erosion can be caused by which of the following? Check all that apply. Wind, water, ice. Gravitational pull. Which of the following are examples of physical weathering? Check all that apply. Peeling of paint, chipping of glass in a gravel-spattered windshield, cracks in a sidewalk. Is erosion a natural process? Yes, no, maybe. After weathering occurs, what is left over from the rocks that have been broken down? Water, dirt, soil. None of the above. Which of the following are erosion processes? Check all that apply. Gravity erosion, movement down a slope due to force of gravity. Water erosion, erosion caused by either raindrops or heavy rain. Shoreline erosion, occurs due to the action of currents and waves. Wind erosion, movement of material by the wind. Are erosion and weathering dependent upon one another? Yes, they both need to occur for the cycle to continue. No, they are separate events that occur independently. Which process comes first, erosion or weathering? Erosion. Weathering.